Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our FIQH and Mu'amalat Innovation Project. The problem statement. Since FIQH merges two major themes into one, it has numerous topics to be covered. Moreover, the subjects are factual. They are not fiction that the students can think rationally about the answers. So, the students may find it very challenging to study all the subjects at once, as they need to cram their mind to remember all the points. Last but not least, students may find it boring to learn it using the traditional approach. The objective of our project. Firstly, it can help students identify how well they are grasping the learning material. Second, it can help students gain a broad or specialized understanding of a subject. And third, it will make it easier for the students to learn while having fun. Next, description of innovation. For this project, we have two games which focus on FIQH and FIQH topics respectively. The first one is Fira game, which derive from FIQH, and the second one is Fila games, which comes from FIQH. The description of idea. For Fira game, it was inspired from Sasuke Ninja Warrior. It is a Japanese sports entertainment reality show television series that airing since 1997, in which competitors attempt to complete a 4-stage obstacle course. Through the online game Fira, we adapt and transform the Ninja Warriors idea into an educational platform, as the students need to pass 4 missions in order to win the game. While for Fira game, it was influenced from Explorers game. Explorers is a game where you need to collect all the clues from every checkpoint. The clues will be used in the last mission in order to win the game. Same goes for the Fila game. Fila game has 4 missions, and each mission will give you a password. You need to collect all the password and use it in the last mission of the game. Last, the advantages of the game. What makes our game different from the others? Firstly, it has 74 questions that covers all topics. We have 37 questions for FIQH and 37 questions for FIQH. The students will answer all the 74 questions, not like the other physical game that the students will be given a randomly questions from a random topic. Second, it is an online game where it will make it easier for the students to play or to answer the questions at anywhere and anytime according to their flexibility. Third, it is a captivating game. The students can learn while having fun. The students no need to use the traditional approach like writing notes, cramping their mind to remember all the notes. Now with Fila and Fira, they can now learn with having fun and exciting moments. And now you can scan the QR code to play our game. Enjoy the game, everyone!
Okay, now we move on to the game, the second game, which is the Fira game. Okay, so this game is basically about the USRAH question. So how to start the game? You have to click the start game button, start game. Okay, once you click the start button, then you will see the story. Okay, now as a player, you have to find the 4 elemental gems so that the sword has enough power, and then defeat the fearsome dragon that is terrorizing all people. Okay, next, you have to click of course because you want to play the game. Okay, so now there are 4 types of gems that you have to collect in order to activate the sword, because at the end of the game you have to defeat a dragon. Okay, now you see the first gem that you have to collect, which is Earth gem. So now you have to click the start level and there will be questions. Okay, click the correct answer to proceed to the next question. But if you click the wrong answer, then you have to try again. So for example, like the first question, you click the correct answer, then you will be proceeded to the next question. But if you click the wrong answer, then you have to try again just by clicking this button. Okay, so you have to proceed until the end of this mission. Okay, now you have already completed the first mission and you can get the earth gem. So click the next button to get another gem, which is the second gem, the air gem. Okay, how to get the air gem is you have to choose the correct image to get out of the room alive and get the next gem. Okay, click the start level and then you can see the next question. If you remember the first question, you have to click the correct picture in order to proceed. The air gem, you already completed the question and then you got the air gem. Next, you have to click the next button in order to collect the third gem, which is the water gem. Okay, how to collect the water gem is you have to drag the line in order to find the correct answer. Okay, click the start level button and then we'll see the question here. Okay, for the first question, what is the law of Habanah? So you have to drag the line in order to search for the correct answer. If you see the answer and it is not correct, don't click at the answer. For example, here is the answer, then you click, then you will be proceeded to the next question. Okay, you have for now you have to look for the gem. Look at the okay, you bring the light at the water and then you can see the gem. Once you found the gem, you have to click. Now you got the water gem. Okay, next you have to click the next button and you will see the fire gem, which is the last gem in order to activate this ward. Okay, so we have to answer carefully in order to get the gem. Okay, for the first question, look at the first question. So click the correct answer in order to proceed to the next question. We'll see all the gems has already successfully collected. So we got the swipe and now it's time for us to defeat the dragon. Okay, how to defeat the dragon? You have to click the next button and then click on on the circle motion. So now you have successfully defeated the dragon. Okay, now we move on to the second game, which is Fila video game. Okay, so the Fila video game is basically about the FIQH MUAMALAT game. We can click the button start to start the game. Okay, so first there are rules of the game. Okay, so for the rules of the game, each mission consists of one number at the end. So the player must complete all the missions in order to get the password number. And then they have to collect all the numbers at the end of the mission and write all the numbers in the password box. Okay, then if you write the numbers correctly in the password box, then you can be the winner. But if you write it wrongly, then you are the loser. Okay, now you see the characters. There are 4 characters, so you can choose either any of the character, like the Halimah for example. And then once you click the character, you can click the start button. Okay, so these are the 4 missions. Okay, the first one is space mission. Second one, the puzzle mission. The third one is stick mission. And the fourth one is frog mission. Okay, so you have to complete all the 4 boxes, because at the end of each mission there will be a number and then you have to write all the numbers in the password box here. Okay, now we'll see the first mission, which is space mission. Click here to start. Okay, this is how the space mission looks like. There will be question on the right and the game on the left. Okay, if you click a correct answer, then it will proceed to the next question. But if you click a wrong answer, then you have to try again. Okay, look at here, is already proceed to the next question if you answer it correct. This one is an example if you answer it wrong. But then you can click try again button. So click yes. Okay. Now we'll see the second mission, which is the puzzle mission. Okay,
So you can see here the question is on your right and the game is on your left. Okay, now we'll see the third mission, which is the stick mission. Okay, the question is on your right and the game will be on your left. Okay, click the correct answer to make the first line of the stick disappear. Okay, now we'll see the last mission, which is the frog mission. Okay, just like the previous game, that the question will be on your on the right, and the game will be on the left. If you answer it correctly, and then the frog can surpass the first line of the obstacle. Okay, remember to fill the password box with the password that you have gained at the end of each of the mission.